All right, welcome back. So the next problem is number 9. Actually, number 9 and 10 we're going to do today. Those are quite, you need them. Okay, so that's why I'm going to give them to you. You need them in order to solve the problems that we're going to have. So number 9, it says, show that if the Laplace transform of G of S equals 1 over S plus alpha 1 minus e to the negative ts, okay, where t is bigger than 0, okay, then g of t equals e to the negative alpha t plus e to the negative alpha minus t, this is u of t minus t, okay, plus e to the minus alpha t minus 2t. Sorry about that. Plus e to the minus alpha. Oh my gosh, what am I doing here? That should have been minus alpha t minus t. Here it should be e to the minus alpha t minus 2t, u of t minus 2t, plus e to the minus alpha t minus 3t, u of t minus 3t, and keeps on going like this forever. Okay, and they give us a hint. Don't see where I put my answer. That's okay. They give us a hint. Use the geometric series. Okay, so I have linked a video about just a refresher on geometric series in case you totally forgot it. Okay, but the one that we're going to use here is that for the absolute value of x being less than 1, 1 plus x squared going on forever equals 1 over 1 minus x. Okay, so how are we going to get there? Let's start with our original. Okay, so this is our Laplace transform. I'm going to write this as 1 over s plus alpha times 1 over 1 minus e to the negative ts. And now that I've written it, I've sort of given it away. This thing is your x, okay? So that means you could write this as 1 over s plus alpha times e to the negative, 1 plus e to the negative ts plus e to the negative 2ts plus e to the negative 3ts. Okay, so our x is e to the negative ts, x squared is e to the negative 2ts, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now we actually can use this. So I want you to remember, or I want you to look at your, the Laplace transform sheet. 1 over s plus alpha e to the negative ns equals, this is the Laplace transform of, let me check the thing. Sorry, that should be NTS. Okay. This is the Laplace transform. I'm using now number 10. Okay, so this is by number 10. This is the Laplace transform of f of t minus nt times u of t minus nt. But what's our f of t? 1 over s plus alpha is the Laplace transform. That's e to the negative alpha t. Okay, that's just simply number 15. So Laplace transform this one was number 10. This one was number 15. Okay, so what are we going to get? Let me put this in. Let's put this all in orange. Okay, so putting all of this through these properties, we get e to the negative alpha. Now, the first one's going to be e to the negative alpha t, okay, because that's times 1 plus, no need for u of t, plus e to the negative alpha t minus t, u of t minus t. That comes from this times this. Okay. Move this up just a little bit out of my way. Plus e to the negative alpha t minus 2t, u of t minus 2t. Okay. That comes from this one. And we could just keep going forever and ever like that. And that gives us our results. That's precisely what this thing is saying. Okay, so that's number 9. We'll look at number 10 next.